I decided to do the Untitled Champions course because it was a way to improve health within Wigan.
I did it as a part of the public sector traineeship.
The project that we were going to be doing was based on my sister, who passed away of toxic shock syndrome in 2014 when she was only 13, so that influenced it quite a bit.
I'm really motivated about health because I've got ME. I can't say the fancy term, but I'll just say chronic fatigue syndrome. I mean, I could talk anybody's ear off about good mental health and promoting it, and that's why. It's made me more confident in meeting people because even though I'm shy, I have something that I enjoy talking about. Now, even when I'm nervous and I'm like being filmed, I can, be like, well, this and this, and I feel good about talking about it.
Much more confident when I'm speaking to my friends, and especially if I'm trying to give advice to somebody or help them out when they want to learn more about health or anything like that. Watch what I eat a lot more, like portion sizes, stuff like that, drinking a lot more water as opposed to drinking Coke and Fanta all the time.
Because before it was very much like necessity, so if I see a McDonald's I can't avoid it and stuff like that, whereas now like I think about the after effects, and so my way of thinking's changed for the better, I think.
I went and joined a gym as well, which it wasn't something I was going to be doing in the first place, but because I had problems with my knees, and then I found like different places all around Wigan that I was signposted to when we were doing the course. So
I didn't know anything about Wigan. I'm from Hindley, so that's like probably a 10-minute drive, and I knew about the stuff that I'd been offered through my ME, so like doctors and GPs.
But on the actual day of the course, we went into Wigan, we looked around different places and stuff like that, got leaflets, working out what actually is there in Wigan available for different things, stuff like sexual health and health and wellbeing in general.
I can talk to my family now about what Wigan has to offer, and I feel more comfortable suggesting things.
Because of the places that you get told about on the Health Champions course, like the Healthy Roots stores where you can see about different things like your BMI, your height, your weight, and they offer really good advice there as well, and other places in Wigan you know exactly where to signpost people to.
I think it's given me more motivation to do like English stuff. You Can Help, a guide to helping people in crisis. I created it out of my sister who struggled with depression. There was so much stuff to do with negativity concerning mental health, so it was very much like people suffer in silence and not many people talk. That was something that I was so motivated. I was like, well, if there's nothing positive out there, then I'll just make it. It's definitely influenced me in terms of jobs, because I really would love to do something to do with health promotion and counselling young people or being a dietitian.
I've got more confident public speaking, so I'm more set on what I'd like to do, stuff like jobs where I might have to give presentations a lot more, so I'm more set towards that.
I'd say that regardless of what your circumstances are, becoming a young health champion, it makes you realise that you can actually do something as a young person. I just think it's so cool that young people can meet, talk about things that they're concerned about, and then come away with better knowledge. So I'm all for it.